Okay, so this video will introducing how to configure the GBF smartphone device. So first, let's introduce the keys including the package. Here's the RT45 router adapter. If you want to configure it using a router, this is the one. And here is the antenna connected to the doorbell, which we will using it to configure it by using Wi-Fi. Here is why it's already connected with the doorbell. The connector point is located on the left corner of the slide. The power supply port is on the right corner of the back of the doorbell. Located in this place. So once you plug in the power supply in, quickly push the doorbell button in front. It must be done within 5 seconds. Now let's push the button in here. And then push the button. The LED is on, that means it's setting. Okay, so after you hear the beep sound, you can download it for free at Apple Store or Google Store here. Now I'm using Android phone. Open it up. So to add the device here, you just push the plus signal on the right corner. Here, select the doorbell 2. And for the next screen, you select the hotspot connection. Okay, it means that I already found the. Okay, push next. Okay, see, now this has the command was set successfully. The device is configured. Then push OK. For next screen, make sure you don't change the device GID. And for password, the default password is 1234. Then push save. Okay, so you can see now select the ring in the next type. And go to the third one, here. And for the list, finding the device which has the same GID like this one. Yeah, this is the one that we need to load the alarm notification. Okay, push button. I'll go back to the doorbell here. Okay. So now it is connected. How? You see now